As a man, there's certain things that you should just never let a woman cross the line with. If she says these things to you, yo, that's just disrespect, bro. Today, if you hear these 6 things, you gotta check her. Let's hop into this. Number 1. Oh, that's so cute. Bro, talk about chopping your balls and minimizing you into her little brother. You gotta check her quick on that. There ain't nothing cute about what you just said. Whether you opened up, you're talking about your day, nothing of that is cute. And the moment she does this, most of the time, she's friend zoning you. So don't take that disrespect. Don't continue trying to flirt with her and giving her validation and giving her attention. This stuff ain't free, bro. But you know what is free? You wanna know what is free? Actually, I wanna take a moment and pause this video real quick. This year has been amazing. It's been great. You guys have been amazing. Over 3 or almost, I think it was almost 3, it was like 290 something. 300,000 orders to this year happened. Over 50% of last year, basically. It's been an incredible year, and it is all thanks to you guys. This last Black Friday launch and Cyber Monday launch absolutely crushed it, and it was all because of you guys. So we want to do something. I'm not sure yet. I want to hear your thoughts and what you think about this. I figured what's the best way to give everybody something? And that's making our stores for free. You already know I'm the king of the everything free store, all right? Bezos has the everything store. I got the everything free store. And what I'm thinking, let me know, comment down below if you like the idea or not. We might limit it to like anywhere from 5 to 10,000 products per store for all 4 brands. So like Santa Lucia, Essentials, Jade Black, and He Grooming. All 4 brands, all limited to like 5 to 10,000 items, still up for debate. And then it'll be everything free. You can sign up to the newsletter. Everything's going to be locked down. And then on one special day, you're going to get an email. Boom. Access code you can enter, and it's just first come, first serve. Whoever gets in there the fastest, it will be the one that can take the product. And again, it's thousands of items, so you got to be quick. If I were you, first of all, I'd recommend you sign up to all our newsletters. Second of all, if you like that idea, let me know down below. We'll start planning it. Chances are it'll be like in the next 5 to 6 days. We're still planning it. And if you don't like that idea, I could just do like a cash giveaway. You let me know down below. Back to the video. Number 2, my ex would die. I don't care what the hell your ex would. You better tell that girl to go get her ex, because you ain't that dude. See, the moment that she disrespects you enough, that she compares you to her ex, don't argue. Don't scream at the top of your lungs. Don't forgive her. And don't even give her a second chance. You kick that girl off to the curb, not physically, obviously. Like literally, kick her out of your life and never look back. Don't give that girl a second chance. The disrespect to compare you to her ex, yo, if she loves her so much, she should go back. You have to understand, if you don't put a stop and a boundary to that immediately, she's going to minimize you and compare you to that man every single day of your life. Number 3, yo, your friend is so funny. No, he's not. No, he's not. Yo, girl, chill. He ain't no comedian. Why are you laughing so hard? See, you got to understand, girls are slick. A lot of times, girls will get close to you if you're the accessible one. But in reality, they want your friend, which is messed up. But the truth is, you become that stepping stone that she's using to get to the person that she actually wants. So don't even give her a chance. If you notice her being a little too buddy-buddy, too nice with one of your bros, it is bros before hoes on this one. I promise you can find another one. Number 4, yo, what's wrong with you, idiot? As soon as that level of disrespect falls and she starts name-calling you, it's go time. You throw her out and you bring in a new one. You got to understand that a healthy relationship is established out of mutual respect. You have to understand that if you got a girl that's name calling you dumbass, idiot, stupid, imbecile, whatever, in front of your friends, in front of your family, that girl no longer respects you. And the crazy part is that when she encounters a dude that actually sets his boundaries and doesn't let her play by those rules, she's actually going to fall in love with that, because she wants a leader. She wants a dude that she can respect. And the moment she name calls you, just know she ain't respecting you. You set your boundaries. Number 5, oh yeah, I used to date that guy. Yeah, he used to hit me up too. Yeah, he actually slid into my DMs. Bro, the hell do I care? You have to understand, women do this as a resilience test. They're trying to test your patience, your jealousy levels, and they're doing it to get under your skin. The way around this is easy. You ignored it. Like, yo, she tells you, like, oh, cool. Yeah, cool. Look, yo, it could be burning up inside, but she's doing this seeking for attention. And when she realizes that she's not getting under your skin, it's actually going to get under her skin. Like, yo, why is this guy not bothered? And finally, number 6, oh, yo, just man up. Now, if she ever throws this at you when it comes to maybe you're sharing your emotions or you're doing some sort of manly task and you can't complete it, or when it comes to opening doors, you throw that whole woman away. See, while yes, you should be doing some of these things by default, you don't need a woman demanding you to do it or telling you that if you don't do it, you're not man enough. That's like you being misogynist enough to telling her that she needs to cook and keep the house clean and to not speak when men are speaking. Sexism goes both ways and you shouldn't stand for it. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 things you should never let a woman tell you. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, let me know about that giveaway if you guys like it, whether you want cash or free product. Again, it'll be more free product than cash. Let me know down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.